The upcoming China Central Asia Summit is a milestone in guiding new perspectives and policies in the post-pandemic world and further strengthening cooperation, said Selçuk Kolakoglu, director of the Ankara-based Turkish Center for Asia-Pacific Studies. The summit will be held on May 18th and 19th in Xi'an, Shanxi Province.
China Central Asia Summit in that regard is very important, and they will be guiding perspectives and policies in the post-pandemic world. So then this summit will address the potential challenges, but also particularly cooperation areas in Eurasia in general. When we look at China Central Asia cooperation from the beginning in the 1990s, we can say that there is stable and steady developed relationship between two sides, China and Central Asian countries. So there is very solid and resilient economic relationship.
The scholar also mentioned the growing role of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, saying it has become a prominent, dynamic, and stable international organization.
And the Shanghai Cooperation Organization itself has become dynamic and stable international organizations, providing not only security and perspective for Central Asia, but also for Asian countries. So after the expansion of South Asia with the inclusion of India and Pakistan,